Today, I will walk you through the 10 steps to review a completed county spreadsheet. The first step is to open the Google Response Sheet and click on the top left corner to select all cells. You will then click on Create a filter for all columns. These filters will come in handy to facilitate your review. Select column D and sort A to Z. This will give you a quick glimpse of the resources included for each category. If you notice that a category is missing or has limited resources, check in with your staff to see if further research is needed, or do a quick search yourself to confirm that resources are limited by accessing our list of websites. The second step is to check for active links. For starters, we need to open a blank Google Sheets file. To do this, open up a new Google tab. Click on the waffle on the top right corner and select a new blank spreadsheet. Go back to the county spreadsheet being reviewed and select column F with the list of websites and copy. Next, you will paste the websites from the county spreadsheet to the first column of the blank Google Sheets. Once pasted, you will keep the column selected and hold down Ctrl-H to find and replace. Type in a semicolon in the Find bar and click Replace All. There is no need to type anything in the Replace bar. Once this has been completed, you will go up to the top and click on Extensions. Click on Apps Script. A new tab will open with a blank Untitled project. We will use a Google Sheet bulk URL, a live checker tool, by copying a code and pasting it to the Apps Script file. Remove the default function code before pasting in the URL checker tool code. Once the code is pasted, click up at the top where it says Untitled Project. You can type in something like checklinks or URL checker and click Rename. Afterwards, click on Save Project to Drive. This will help you save time in the future, as you will not have to paste in the code again. All that is needed now is to click on Run and go back to the Google Sheet with the pasted URLs to determine that websites are okay, meaning they have an active link. If you get an error message, you can send the spreadsheet back to your staff to adjust, or you can do a quick search and insert the new URL yourself. Additional steps are needed when accessing the Apps Script extension for the first time. Click on Review Permissions and select your Gmail account. Next, click on Advanced on the left side. Lastly, click on Go to Checklinks, Unsafe File, which will bring you to the next page to allow access. Scroll to the bottom and click on Allow. The URL checker tool code will automatically run, and you will notice that the execution log has started. If the code does not run on its own, then click the Run button again. If troubleshoot issues still exist, you can copy and save code again to run execution log. Step 3 is to do a quick spell check. Under Tools, click on Spelling and select Spell Check to review suggestions for the entire file. Confirm no spelling errors are present. Pay close attention to the organization names under column B and ensure that capitalization is appropriate. Complete a quick Google search for any listings you may be unsure about. For Step 4, verify that all zip codes include 5 digits by looking closely at column C. The fifth step requires verification of column D and E. The categories and services should match the directory list, and both columns should be converted. The difference between these two columns is that the category such as community activities or education services is not included under the services. You'll notice that the services should always start with the cost. Step 6 includes looking through column G to verify all addresses and follow the abbreviation protocol detailed here. Only the ones noted need to be abbreviated with the appropriate punctuation. Everything else should be spelled out. No P.O. boxes should be included, unless the address is unavailable for specific reasons, and no duplicate addresses should be present. In Step 7, verify the city column and follow protocol. The city should be spelled correctly and fall within the assigned county limits. The county name should be included in the last column of the spreadsheet. To verify that the city corresponds to the assigned county, you will need to download the Google Sheets file to Excel first. Once the Excel document opens, more than likely you'll need to enable editing. Then select the city column. Go to the top and click on Data and Geography data types. Lastly, highlight all of the cities and click to Insert Data. Admin Division 2, County, District, Other. The county data information will auto-populate, and the county name will appear. Verify and confirm that all organizations are located in the assigned county. Any listings that fall within another county will need to be removed to avoid duplicates within the Community Resource Directory. Step 8 consists of making sure the correct state is included, abbreviated, and capitalized. For Step 9, verify phone numbers and follow protocol shown here for column J. The area code should be in parentheses, followed by a space and the phone number separated by a hyphen. In rare cases, organizations may not have a phone number. In these situations, you can include the phone number as parentheses 000 parentheses 000 hyphen 0000. Last but not least, Step 10 involves checking the notes under column P. The following should be included in the Notes section. Please call, visit the website, or go in person for assistance. Under special circumstances, additional specific information can be included. The following are examples of details that should be avoided under Notes: direct phone extensions, temporary services with date and time slots, and contact information to specific individuals. Finally, ensure proper capitalization and punctuation is present. Thank you for your time. This concludes the 10-step checklist when reviewing a county spreadsheet. Please reach out if you have any questions.